Can I ask how that happened?
Look at the back of it. It's shorter in the middle. It's like really damaged, and I don't know what kind of cut I want to do to make it look healthy and just even, but I'm guessing we have to go short.
Well, if there's kind of like that triangle kind of in the middle, and we'll just show that here. There's like a nice cutout right here in that middle. Can I ask how that happened?
Years and years of damage. I do like sometimes tug on it every now and then, and I think that also helps break it off a little bit.
Okay.
So,
when was the last time you cut it?
Like 3 years.
It's okay. So it's been a long time. What? 3 years ago, what was the cut?
It was just like a trim. Yeah, and then it was like a trim. Basically.
When did you start to notice this?
I mean, it's been going on since I was like in high school, but
Really?
yeah, I think it's gotten kind of worse over the years.
Do you deal with a lot of tangles?
No, I don't really have tangles at all.
And you wear it curly
all the time.
All the time.
I don't do heat damage. So yeah, that's why I came to you, because I'm like, there's an issue here.
Yeah, I'm wondering, when you did cut it a few years ago, did they cut it wet?
They usually cut it wet.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Were
and then
they
straighten it? So
yeah. Okay. You spot this back here?
Yeah.
So the fact that it's missing that much like out of there is really a mystery.
Yeah, it's.
What do you mean?
Well, I do have like this, I don't know if you call it like a tick or whatever, but there's sometimes when I'm like thinking or working, I'll just pull on the back of my head like that.
Maybe.
I feel like that could be definitely a factor.
Is it a little bit more aggressive than just a light pet? Are you kind of grabbing and twisting a little bit?
I think it's subconscious sometimes. So yeah, it could be. I know, a bad habit, like very bad habit.
I mean, we all got them. Well, let's address that real quick. I can't beat that.
Right.
Even if we kind of like knock it out, get you a really great shape, even if it is a lot shorter and it's more connected and this would grow out even, if that is kind of a thing that affects you to on this level, I won't be able to beat that. But so I guess you could go down two streets. One is like, it is what it is and that's not going to change. Then my recommendation would be, let's keep you shorter. Yeah. Because then it won't matter.
Right.
Or you got to be like, okay, cool, I got to knock that off. If I needed to, which I do technically, but I've got a lot of tricks up my sleeve. But if I was like, okay, cool, I want to reset you. I want to get this evened up with everything else to where you got a good grow out ahead of you. How heartbreaking would that be? Or like, where would the heartbreak begin? But I don't want to do anything that's going to like hurt you too much.
This is already hurting me.
Where would the heartbreak begin?
I don't know. I mean, at this point, I'm just like ready for a new chapter. I'm ready for a change. I want my hair to grow out. I want it to be healthy. So, I mean, I'm kind of open to what you think would be best for my hair to get that growth. You have to go short. I'm willing to go short.
So the thing is, you have about a quarter of your hair right down in the middle that is missing. And it's up there. And if I had to kind of draw that around, it's about here, back here. So if you want to grow out evenly, you're looking at this.
It's like shoulder length.
Yeah. And also, too, it's our first time together. So I got to give you the heads up. With it being a little bit shorter and with what all the stuff I want to show you, I mean, you might spring up a little bit more, which I always think is a good thing.
Give me more volume.
More shape.
I want that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So honestly, like if shape is kind of like exciting for you,
yeah,
I wouldn't worry so much about knocking out the length because the different thresholds for different people. But on you, I mean, if I knock shorter, I'm able to really build up more. So I think you'll get to see more of your hair out here than you will down here. And I think you might be like, oh, I miss my length, but this is way more fun.
Right.
Plus, you get that huge benefit of ideally starting that grow out for this stuff to where it matches with everything.